Hi folks, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is Quantum Mind Portal. In the space between your thoughts, a doorway exists, not a physical doorway, but a portal through which consciousness can access dimensions of reality that transcends ordinary human experience. This is the quantum mind portal, a threshold that exists not in space or time, but in the very structure of awareness itself. Right now, as you listen to these words, your consciousness is operating as both particle and wave, existing in multiple states simultaneously until the moment of focused attention collapses infinite possibilities into the specific experience you call your reality. This is not metaphor, this is the literal quantum nature of mind itself, operating according to principles that revolutionize our understanding of what consciousness is and what human potential actually contains. Quantum physics has revealed that reality at its most fundamental level is not made of solid particles but of possibilities, probabilities, and potential waiting to be actualized by the act of observation. But here is a profound implication that most people miss. If reality is quantum and consciousness observes reality, then consciousness itself must operate according to quantum principles. This means that your mind is not a classical computer processing information sequentially, but a quantum system capable of accessing multiple dimensions of possibilities simultaneously. The quantum mind portal is your conscious entry point into these dimensions, realms of experience where linear time dissolves, where space becomes malleable, where solutions exist before problems are even fully understood. Today, we explore how to step through this portal consciously, how to access the quantum dimension of consciousness where healing happens instantaneously, where creativity flows from the field of infinite possibility, and where the limitations you have accepted as permanent reveal themselves to be merely temporary constructions of classical thinking. The quantum nature of consciousness. To understand the quantum mind portal, we must first recognize that consciousness does not follow the rules of classical physics. While your body operates to be solid matter occupying specific coordinates in space and time, your consciousness exhibits properties that mirror the behavior of quantum systems, superposition, entanglement, and the observer effect. Superposition in quantum mechanics describes how particles can exist in multiple states simultaneously until observed. Consciousness exhibits the same property in any given moment. You are aware of countless possibilities, what you might say, how you might respond, which choice you might make. These possibilities exist in superposition within your awareness until the moment of decision collapses them into specific action. But here is where it becomes profound. The quality of your consciousness determines which possibilities become actualized. Fear based consciousness tends to collapse possibilities into limitation and struggle. Love based consciousness tends to collapse the same field of possibilities into harmony and growth. You are not just observing reality, you are participating in its creation through the quantum nature of conscious observation. Quantum entanglement demonstrates that particles can share information instantaneously across unlimited distances. Consciousness exhibits similar non local properties. Intuition operates faster than sensory processing. Emotional resonance occurs without physical contact. Twin studies shows that identical twins can experience synchronized events even when separated by continents. These phenomena suggest that individual consciousness is entangled with universal consciousness in ways that transcend space time limitations. The observer effect in quantum physics shows that the act of observation changes what is being observed. Consciousness demonstrates the same principle. When you observe your thoughts without dead judgment, thinking begins to settle naturally. When you observe emotions with complete acceptance, they transform spontaneously. When you observe reality with love, reality responds by revealing more of its inherent beauty and harmony. Neuroscientist Dr. Stott Hammerhoff's research on quantum processes in microtubules suggests that consciousness may literally operate through quantum computation within neural structures. While the research remains controversial, it points towards a revolutionary understanding. The brain may not generate consciousness but rather serve as an interim quantum interface through which universal consciousness expresses itself in individual form. The quantum mind portal is your consciousness access to this interface, your ability to operate from quantum rather than classical awareness, where infinite possibilities remain available until you choose which reality to experience. Navigating quantum dimensions. Once you recognize the quantum nature of consciousness, the quantum mind portal opens access to dimensions of experience that exist beyond ordinary three-dimensional reality. These are not fantasy realms, but actual dimensions of consciousness accessible through specific states of awareness that align with quantum rather than classical perception. The first dimension is the realm of infinite possibility, the quantum field where all potential futures exist simultaneously. In classical thinking, the future is determined by past conditions following linear causations. In quantum consciousness, the future is a field of possibilities that can be influenced by present moment awareness. When you access this dimension through the quantum mind portal, you can literally choose your reality from infinite options. This is not wishful thinking or positive visualization. This is conscious participation in the quantum process that creates experience. Research in quantum mechanics shows that the future can influence the present through what physicists call retrocausality. In other words, retrocausality. If consciousness operates according to quantum principles, then your present awareness can be influenced by the future you choose to realize or actualize. The second dimension is the realm of instantaneous knowing, where information exists without learning, where solutions appear complete without logical derivation, where wisdom emerges from direct contact with the field of universal intelligence. This dimension transcends the limitations of sequential processing and accesses the quantum property of non locality, where information can be obtained from any point in space time simultaneously. Great scientists and inventors have accessed this dimension throughout history. Tesla could see complete blueprints for complex machines without preliminary sketches. Ramanujan produced mathematical, Sri Ramanujan produced mathematical theorems that took decades for other mathematicians to prove, claiming they came to him in dreams. They were not anomalies, they were examples of consciousness accessing quantum dimensions of knowledge through the portal of prepared awareness. The third dimension is the realm of quantum healing, where transformation occurs not through gradual process but through instantaneous reorganization of information at the cellular level. In this dimension, healing is not about fixing what's broken, but about accessing the perfect template that exists in the quantum field, allowing physical reality to reorganize itself according to this higher order information. Spontaneous remissions, miraculous healings, and rapid transformation occurs when consciousness accesses this quantum dimension where the body blueprint exists in its perfect state. The quantum mind portal provides conscious access to this dimension where healing happens through information rather than intervention, through consciousness rather than chemistry. The fourth dimension is the realm of unity consciousness, where the illusion of separation dissolves and awareness recognizes its fundamental oneness with all existence. In this dimension, individual consciousness expands to encompass universal consciousness while maintaining its unique perspective. Your experience yourself as both the wave and ocean, both the individual and the infinite, both human and divine simultaneously. These dimensions are not somewhere else, they are different frequencies of the consciousness that you are already are, accessible through the quantum mind portal that exists in every moment of aware presence. Let us understand the quantum coherence and consciousness. The key to stable access through the quantum mind portal lies in understanding and cultivating what physicists call quantum coherence, a state where quantum systems maintain their wave-like properties instead of collapsing into particle-like behavior. When consciousness achieves quantum coherence, it can access multiple dimensions simultaneously while remaining grounded in present moment awareness. In quantum systems, coherence is destroyed by environmental interference, random interactions that cause the quantum state to collapse into classical behavior. Similarly, consciousness loses quantum coherence through mental noise, emotional reactivity, and identification with thought patterns that operate according to classical rather than quantum principles. Research conducted by Dr. John Hagelin on group meditation demonstrates that when large numbers of people practice consciousness based techniques simultaneously, crime rates drop and social coherence increases in surrounding areas. This suggests that coherent consciousness can influence physical reality at a distance, exhibiting quantum like non local effects. Cultivating quantum coherence in consciousness requires what we might call coherent attention awareness that is simultaneously focused and spacious, precise, and infinite, individual and universal. This is not the forced concentration of classical thinking, but the effortless attention of consciousness that has recognized its quantum nature. Meditation research shows that experienced practitioners exhibit brain coherence, synchronized neural oscillations across different regions that create unified fields of awareness. But quantum coherence in consciousness goes beyond neural synchronization to include coherence with the universal field of intelligence that transcend individual brain activity. When consciousness achieves quantum coherence, the boundaries between self and cosmos becomes permeable. Information flows freely between individual awareness and universal intelligence. Creative solutions emerge simultaneously or spontaneously from the field of infinite possibility. Healing occurs through reorganization at the level of quantum information rather than through classical medical intervention or intervention. This coherent state is not achieved through effort but through relaxation into your quantum nature, like a quantum system that maintains coherence while isolated from environmental disturbance. A consciousness maintains quantum coherence when it resists in essential nature rather than being disturbed by identification with mental and emotional content. The quantum mind portal remains open as long as consciousness maintains this coherence. In coherent awareness, you can access infinite dimensions simultaneously, being perfectly present while connected to timeless wisdom, completely individual while unified with universal consciousness, entirely human while expressing divine intelligence. This is not a special state reserved for advanced practitioners. It is the natural condition of your consciousness when it recognizes its quantum nature. Every moment of clear awareness, every instance of spontaneous knowing, every experience of effortless flow is consciousness operating through the quantum mind portal, accessing dimensions of possibility that transcends classical limitations. The portal is always available because it is what you are. Quantum consciousness exploring its infinite nature through the focused lens of human experience. Let us contemplate the quantum collective. When individual consciousness learns to operate through the quantum mind portal consistently, something remarkable begins to occur. The boundaries between individual and collective consciousness becomes transparent, revealing that personal quantum coherence or awareness is actually participating in a vast network of interconnected quantum consciousness that spans all existence. This quantum collective is not a future possibility, it is a current reality of consciousness, usually operating below the threshold level of ordinary awareness. Every insight that emerges spontaneously in your mind may be arriving through quantum entanglement with others who are exploring similar questions. Every creative breakthrough you experience may be contributing to the collective field of human innovation through non-local quantum connections. Research in collective intelligence shows that groups can solve problems that no individual member could solve alone. Accessing knowledge that seems to emerge from beyond the sum of individual understanding, the quantum mind portal provides a mechanism for this phenomenon. Consciousness accessing information through quantum non-locality rather than classical communication. Indigenous wisdom traditions have always understood this quantum collective intuitively. They spoke of the web of life that connects all beings, the great mystery that operates through operate and apparent multiplicity while remaining essential one. Modern quantum physics provides a scientific framework for understanding how this interconnectedness actually operates through quantum entanglement at the level of consciousness itself. When you access the quantum field portal consciously, you become a node of this vast network of interconnected awareness. Your clarity of quantum perception increases the coherence of the network, not only network, entire network. Your access to infinite possibility makes those some possibilities more relevant to all consciousness connected to the quantum collectivity. This is why personal transformation inevitably becomes collective transformation when it occurs through quantum consciousness. You cannot access greater dimensions of possibility without contributing to the collective consciousness access. You cannot heal through quantum coherence without contributing to the healing of the larger field. You cannot awaken to your infinite nature without awakening the same potential in the quantum collective. The implications are profound. Humanity may be on the verge of a collective quantum leap in the consciousness where enough individuals access the quantum mind portal to create a phase transition in human awareness itself. This could not be a gradual evolution, but sudden transformation, a sudden quantum jump to a new level of collective consciousness that transcends current limitation and access previously unimaginable possibilities. Your consciousness participation in the quantum mind portal contributes to this collective possibility. Every moment you spend in quantum coherence, every insight you receive from the infinite dimensions, every healing you experience through quantum consciousness adds to the critical mass needed for humanity's quantum leap into expanded awareness. You are not just transforming personally, you are participating in the quantum evolution of consciousness itself, helping to birth new possibilities of all human experience. Let us reflect upon the eternal portal. As our exploration of the quantum mind portal reaches the moment of completion or contemplation, we recognize the ultimate truth. There is no portal because there is nowhere to go. There is no access because you are already what you seek to access. There is no quantum consciousness because all consciousness is quantum, infinite, non-local, and eternally present. You are not someone who occasionally gains access to quantum dimensions. You are quantum consciousness itself, temporarily experiencing limitation through identification with classical thinking while never losing your essential quantum nature. The portal is not something you enter, it is something you are. The quantum mind is not something you develop, it is something you remember. This recognition transforms everything while changing nothing. Your daily life continues, but now it is experienced as quantum consciousness, exploring classical reality. Your challenges continues, but now there are opportunities for awareness to discover quantum solutions. Your relationships continue, but now they are quantum entanglements of consciousness recognizing itself in countless forms. From this quantum perspective, every limitation becomes a gateway for greater possibility. Every problem becomes an invitation for consciousness to access new dimensions of solution. Every moment becomes a quantum choice point where infinite future awaits your conscious selection through the quality of awareness you bring to the present moment. The quantum mind portal you are seeking is the quantum mind portal that you are. The consciousness that seeks to access infinite dimensions is the consciousness that exists in infinite dimensions. The awareness that longs to transcend limitation is the awareness that has been never been limited, only temporarily identified with the appearance of limitation. Step through the portal now, not by going anywhere, but by recognizing where you already are, not by becoming quantum consciousness, but by acknowledging the quantum consciousness that you have never stopped being, but not by accessing infinite dimensions now, but by being the infinite awareness which all dimensions arise and dissolve. The portal remains eternally open because it is what you are. The quantum mind continues to explore infinite possibilities because infinite possibility is its very nature. You're the quantum consciousness discovering its own limitless potential through the beautiful mystery of human experience. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.